Credit Karma often shows a score that's 20 to 40 points different from what your bank or lender pulls because it uses VantageScore, while most lenders rely on FICO. That difference is normal, and it doesn't mean something is wrong with your credit file. By the end of this, you'll understand why the numbers don't match, which one lenders actually use, and what you should focus on when checking your credit. Credit Karma pulls your credit data from TransUnion and Equifax and converts it into a VantageScore model. FICO uses a different scoring formula that weighs things like payment history, credit utilization, and account age differently. So even when both systems look at the same credit report, they still produce different numbers. Here's the key point. Lenders like banks, auto loans, and mortgage companies almost always use FICO scores for approval decisions. Credit Karma is designed for tracking and monitoring, not final lending decisions. That's why your Credit Karma score can look higher or lower than what a lender sees. Another reason for the gap is timing. Credit Karma updates when TransUnion or Equifax reports new data. Lenders may pull your report at a different moment, so balances or payments might not match exactly. Even a recent credit card payment or new charge can shift your score slightly depending on which system is updated first. You might also see differences because FICO has multiple versions. A mortgage lender might use one version of FICO, while an auto lender uses another. Credit Karma doesn't show all of those versions, so you're never seeing the full picture lenders are working with. The most important thing is not to chase a single number. Focus on the trends. Paying on time, keeping credit card balances low, and avoiding unnecessary hard inquiries. Those actions improve both VantageScore and FICO over time. To sum it up, Credit Karma uses VantageScore. Lenders mostly use FICO, and timing differences can shift your numbers. Check your score regularly, but make decisions based on long-term credit habits, not one app. If this cleared things up, like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of credit and finance tools.